beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing my paid for Boxycharm premium box today. This is a monthly subscription with Boxycharm. You do have to be subscribed. It costs $39.99 a month. You're guaranteed to get 6 full-size products, and the box value I believe is supposed to be like over $125 or something like that. So we're going to get right into that. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your visit, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with my latest unboxings, and let's get into this thing. So this box is uber light. It doesn't feel like anything's in here to be honest with you. I don't know what. So this is what I pull out when I open the box. I'll give you guys the sneak peek. And this month, we get the card every month from Boxycharm that tells you the theme of the box, which is invite only. It also notes some of the sales going on for Boxycharm, their beauty bash sale. And on the back, you have your variation number on the bottom, and you also have the details of the products. And they don't put the cost on. Oh, yes, here. Yeah, and the costs are on the back of here as well, with the retail value of what the value of the products are worth. The first product that I'm pulling out of my box, guys, is the KVD Beauty Locket Powder Foundation. I have the color Rich Deep, and that's 230 that I have. So this is a vegan powder foundation that delivers full coverage, instant blurring, and extreme long wear, and a sexy compact. So let's pop it out to see what this baby looks like. The name is pretty catchy, and I like the packaging of the box. Ooh. Oh, is that how it comes? Okay. So I pull it out, and this is what I'm seeing first. I was like, is it supposed to come like this? So you have the little sponge here, and you can see the Kate Von D KVD emblem on the front here, and it has like the black and gold, almost gives me like that vampire goth feel. And it does come with a mirror. I'm going to flip it over so I can show you the foundation color, and this looks like it should work for me. I don't know if I do a swatch if you see anything, but what the heck. All right, I just did a swatch here. And you guys, if you see anything, let me know. But I think it's pretty much a good match for me. You may not see much of anything. So I can't wait to try this one out and see how this powder performs for me. I'm always looking for a good powder foundation. I think any of us can pretty much see that. Like, you really do need a good one that matches your skin tone well, and that lasts and helps you, like people like me who's oily. I definitely need it. So can't wait to try that one out. That's a good one right off the bat. The next product that I have is the Blush Drops by Riddle, and this product has a $50 value. Okay. I don't know who's paying $50 for blush, but God bless you, because it's not me. It's not me, boo. But okay. It says this product, the Blush Drops, enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. It's concentrated to provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. So let's pull this baby out of here. Is there a color? Yes. And it's written in tiny writing that people over 40 cannot read. Looks like Sunset Kiss. It looks like Sunset Kiss. Don't hold me to it. It may not be that at all. But, you know, I don't have any readers on. And I refuse to buy them. So I'm my own worst enemy right now. I refuse to believe that I'm old enough to need readers. So this is how it comes, guys. And I don't know. I've never used this before. Let's see if I can get it to blend out on this hand here. I'm going to just do a drop. And I'm going to show you guys, and we're just going to see together what we can expect to get out of here. And we'll just tappa, 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 and see what we come up with. It's not bad. This will work for me as a blush. I think it's the right tint color and shimmer that I can use this as a blush. So this will be something different to try out. So what the hey, I can't wait to try it out to see how this really looks with the foundation and have like a full base and see if this really pops. But it looks good so far. I can't complain. It looks like it will work for me. So all right, we'll go on to our next one. So the next product, guys, that I have is a product by Nude Stick, and this is their Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. So this product here is valued at $34, and this is supposed to it's a micro peel for the skin, clarifying chemical at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution while visibly rejuvenates your skin tone and texture. Basically, guys, I do a lot of peel offs. I've never used this brand before. I do love skincare a lot, so I do spa day every week. So I'll try this out. I'm not sure how it works, but I'll try it out and let you guys know if it's something that I like. But this will be a first time for me using this brand and this particular product, so I can't wait to try it out. And the next product that I have is by Girlatic. I knew that just by looking at the packaging. I have had a few of their products already, so recently too, in my subscription boxes. So this is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss, and this has a value of $20. And I think pretty much a lot of people got this one in their box. So we have our Girlatic gloss. I think it's cute that it comes with like the roses in it. I don't know if that means anything or makes a difference, but basically it says fall in love with this long wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky, and it's a perfect on to go formula for a glossy finish. So I got on lipstick and I don't have on any lip gloss, so let's give her a whirl. Oh, it does not feel sticky at all. So I'm liking the formulation for this Girlatic lip gloss. So the next thing that I pull out my box here is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now. This is a anti-puff and anti-dark circle, if I can talk, eye serum. So this is valued at $38, and it says wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. So as I've gotten older, I've been getting more into the eye cream stuff, because before I didn't care. But now, yeah, I care. So I can't wait to try this out. I am not familiar with this brand. Our card says that this brand is new to Boxycharm. So this will be a good new product to try out. You only need a drop, so we'll give it a whirl and see what happens. So that is that product. The last product that I have for you guys is actually a fragrance. So we have a fragrance from Riddle, and it's called Riddle Oil Original Roll-On Oil. So I love fragrances. It says this one is made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. Not sure about how I'm gonna feel about the musk, but we'll find out. And it's a roll-on oil, smells clean and subtle, and apparently this is good for people that have any kind of issues with fragrance being too loud or not being able to wear fragrances because it smells too strong. So this is formulated for people who has those kind of sensitivities to perfumes and or colognes. Let's see what it smells like. It smells very mannish, and I'm assuming that's probably from the musk, but that is the top note that I'm smelling right off the bat. I don't know how it's going to go on with my skin. Sometimes you put on perfumes and colognes and they actually go well with your skin after they, you know, your body scent and chemistry. But it says this one here is hypoallergenic and non-toxic and vegan, and This actually has a retail value of $50 for this little tiny bottle that is 8 milliliters, for a company I've never heard of. That seems a bit much. I don't know if these numbers are inflated or if they're actually this high, but that's a bit much. And I know perfume and cologne is very personal to each person, but this smells very mannish. Like, I feel like this is something I should give to my boyfriend. And he might appreciate it more than me, because of that musk scent is really coming on really strong. Like, I smell that amber, but the musk happens to be that top note that I'm really smelling. Maybe it will smell better as you wear it longer. I don't know, but it's not one of my favorite scents. So I think I'm gonna pass it off to my man, let him have it and enjoy it. But I don't think this is it for me. So in review, guys, we received the Riddle Oil Hair Fragrance. We have the Eye Serum Eye Brightener Depuffer. We have the Girlatic Rose Petal Lip Gloss. We have the New Stick Peel Off Micro Peel Mask. We have the Rhode Isle Blush Drops. And we have the KVD Locket Foundation Powder. So I would say overall this is a good box. I mean, the only thing I really wasn't a fan of was the smell of this fragrance. And that would be the only really dud that I have out of the whole box. Everything else I'm pretty much good with. I love things that I can use. So this is going to be re-gifted as somebody's Christmas gift. Because I can't wear it. But guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. Please feel free to peruse some of my other unboxings. I have quite a few going on this week. So feel free to check out your girl. I'd appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe and become a part of the Devonna Nicole family here on YouTube. If there's something in this box that you like or didn't like, hit me up and let me know what it was. If there's anything you like to see me do a demo of or show you how to use, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. I love interacting with you guys. And until next time, guys, stay blessed. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you at my next unboxing. Bye.